The 4 steps you need to take to link an older model car to your garage door opener with Homelink. I want to give a shout out to A1 Garage Door Services for the original video. So here we go. Step 1, you need to clear the memory of your of any garage door opener from your car. So hold down the first and the third button and watch the light. It should start blinking, and once it blinks, just hold it for a while until it stops for a few more seconds. Might take a while for some of the older model cars. There you go. Okay, step 2 is to link your garage door opener to a number on your car. So I'll use a number 1 here. So press the garage door opener and then press the one of the doors on the garage on a car. When you see the light start blinking, you can stop. Okay, blink flash, stop. Okay, step number 3, go to your program button of your garage door opener and push it until you get that light to program. On our case, it's a blue light, it's flashing. Now step 4, go back to your car and push that button that you had before, and it stops. And now it should work. There you go. The garage door is closing. Test it again. Push the button, and the garage door is opening. There you have it. 4 easy steps.